In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a collage in Google Photos. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a handful of pictures into a clean, shareable collage with just a few taps. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone or tablet. If you haven't used it in a while, make sure you're signed in and that the app can see your photos. If you're prompted to allow access to your library, go ahead and grant that so your images appear. You don't need anything fancy here, just your regular camera roll or any albums you've already organized. Once the app is open, look down at the bottom of the screen for the Create option. It's in the toolbar alongside your main tabs. Tap Create to open up Google Photos' built-in tools for assembling new items from your existing images. From the Creation menu, choose Collage. This tells Google Photos you want to combine multiple pictures into a single layout. Collage is great for before and after shots, event highlights, or a quick memory board you can share without sending a bunch of individual files. Next, select the photos you want to include, then tap Create. You can pick just a couple of images for a simple side-by-side or several for a fuller look. As you select, you'll see check marks appear so it's easy to keep track. If you change your mind, tap an image again to deselect it. If your library is big, use the search bar to find specific dates, places, or themes to speed things up. Think about balance and variety. Mixing close-ups with wider shots often makes a stronger collage. Also consider the order you tap your images, as it can influence the arrangement. After you hit Create, Google Photos automatically assembles your collage. The app handles cropping and alignment to keep the layout neat and visually balanced. If your images include faces, it usually centers them nicely so no one gets cut off. Give it a moment to render. You'll see the finished collage appear in your library, and it's typically saved alongside your most recent items. You can open it anytime to view or share, and if you want to tweak the look, explore the editing tools to adjust brightness, apply a filter, or trim edges for a cleaner frame. That's all there is to it. Open Google Photos, tap Create, select Collage, choose your photos, and finish with Create. Practice with different combinations to see what compositions you like best, and you'll have polished collages ready to save, print, or share in just a few seconds.